friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Ayshwarya Vlogs and hope you are doing good. Today I will be reviewing the lip gloss that is from Organic Harvest. Sometimes Organic Harvest give you a getaway that you buy a product for just 99 rupees, so that product you should buy or not. And if you are planning for an Organic Harvest products, so that you should buy or not, that I'm going to tell you with the reviewing of this lip balm. So it comes in four different types of flavors, you can say. And the which lip balm I am having, that is Happy Lips Pomegranate Lip Care with organic mango butter. So this is the season of mango and it is having a mango butter in this. So it is organic harvest products are certified organic harvest. So I'm not doing the promotion of this brand, just a review. So they have claimed the guaranteed of that it does not contain any of the harmful products, sulfate and paraben, whatever the products that harm, whatever the ingredients that harm our body, though those products are not present in this organic harvest claim. So today I'm going to tell you lip balm contain any type of paraben or sulfate or not. So this is a very cute packing. You can see this is somewhat ball type. I literally love this, definitely. So rotate it, and here you got something. It smells nice, something like you can say Nivea, but advanced version of Nivea. This is the advanced version of Nivea, and it smells nice. I'm going to apply on my hand, and you can see this. Yeah, yeah. Does not have any kind of color on this, but in winter you can easily use this. I got this from Organic Harvest. This is all free of cost. I'm not promoting any brand, as I was having this lip balm with me. So I'm just giving you the review of this lip balm, whether you should have this lip balm or not. It is around, I think so, 99 rupees, and this is the new brand. So you must try this. I definitely love this brand. Some products of this brand, not all, because some of the products they are having that contain vitamin C, and vitamin C doesn't suits my skin, and it all bumps come, acne come out due to vitamin C. I have tried. They sended me some kind of products that contain face wash and facial kit that contain vitamin C. So I use that products, but it was not working on my skin, and so I removed that product from my cupboard. And this lip balm is very nice. It smells very good. I think so. If you if the winter starts, the winter is starting, or even in summer season, you can get this lip balm and you can apply, and it is not that oily. One thing I have to tell you, that it is not that oily. Sometimes you apply some lip balm and it feels like that it is very oily and glossy type. So this is not, this product is not like that. This is simply a stiff product which will be coated on your lip for hours. Okay, not I cannot say it will be in your on your lips around 8 to 12 hours, but it will stay because it is having that type of consistency that it will going to stay on your lip for a longer period of time. So this I definitely recommend this lip balm to you and your family and friends. Whoever want a lip balm, they can go for this lip balm. And the cute packing of this lip balm is I love the packing. You can hold, you have a finger grasp over here. You can see this. This is holding time, and you can easily open this. You don't have to rotate it like this. It will going to be easily open like this. Okay, this is very easy. This also I told you that it comes in 4 flavors. You can use, you can buy any type of flavor in this. From that 4 you can buy any. So this is, it doesn't have any taste. It smells good. Yeah, like a mango because it is having a mango, wow, mango butter. So I will be giving this product from 10 out of 10. I will be giving this 9 because I'm using this product and it is good on my skin. If you are having not that much oily skin, excess oil, if you're not having an excess oil in, if you're having a dry lips and or a medium dry lips, you can use this product. So of content it is having, an ingredient it is having, that I will be reading from this uh, packet. It is having carnauba wax, candelia wax, mango butter, castor oil, sunflower oil, and castor 24, and oxygen st liquid. This I don't know. Pomegranate super fragrance. Yeah, this is I think so. This is good. No sulfur and paraben is there. Any kind, no any type of product that harms our body. No mineral oil and any kind of animal ingredient they have used. That means it is a vegan product. If you are having, if you are a vegan, so you can use this product in your day-to-day life. So this was the end of the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends and your family. And I think so you should buy this because it is very reasonable. You are going to get this in only 99 rupees, and I don't think so a good kind of lip balm you're going to get in 99 rupees. That is which is long lasting on your lips. If you are buying a product that wash off very quickly, so that product I don't think so it is good because if you are having a very dry skin or a medium dry skin, that product is very suitable for your skin if it lasts for a around 4 to 5 hours. Okay, so definitely you should buy this product. This is a certified organic from Organic Harvest. Happy Lips. I will be giving you the what buying link. I will be giving you the buying link of this product in my description box. You can easily buy this product from there. So thank you for watching.